I'm excited to be joined by Travis Robertson, IT manager at a manufacturing company here in Atlanta, Georgia. Travis, thanks for being on. First thing I wanted to ask you is your vision for 2020. Where do you plan to spend your time and money and energy? Which of the pillars of IT architecture are you planning to improve?
We're looking for technology solutions that provide convenience, but also that are tested and secure. Is kind of our focus for this upcoming year.
Okay, why are those things so important to you?
Well, of course, with security has been a big challenge in the last year. There's more and more malware being detected out there, more attacks day by day. We hear about it every day now in the industry. But at the same time, we're trying to offer convenience to our users. Users want convenience. They want to use any device. They want to use. They want to be able to connect anywhere, and with that comes the challenge of security and how to implement the two.
Okay, so balancing security and convenience in 2020, that's your goal?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, Travis.
Thank you.